Good morning student. Today we are going to start your next chapter, that is the conjunctions and its kinds. Okay. Then before that, what is a conjunction and what kinds are there? We will see now the conjunction and its kinds. Okay. Now what is conjunction? A conjunction links words, phrases and clauses together in a sentence. What is the work of conjunction? Conjunction is the joining word, and what it's joining? It's joining two different words, two different sentences, two different phrases. Okay, when it's joining together, that time that word is called as the conjunction. Now in downside sentence you can see now, he went swimming after school. Okay, now which two different phrases are here? One is swimming and one is school. Then that after school, that relation we understand with the using of conjunction. Okay, after school, she got some balloons. This is the one sentence. It was her birthday. This is the second sentence. Okay, she got some balloons and it was her birthday, and these both sentences we have joined by using the because. Okay, why she got balloons? Because her birthday was there. It is showing the reason, and whenever reason is there we are using the because. She got some balloons because it was her birthday. Now here also two different sentences are there. She had a burger dash dash a milkshake for dinner. Now two things she has with her, one is burger and one is milkshake. Okay, and when these two different things we are joining, we are using and. Okay, she had a burger and my milkshake for dinner. Then this burger and milkshake, for that joining we have used the and. That's why this and is coming for the conjunction, because conjunction is the joining and it has joined the burger and milkshake. Understood now this? A conjunction means what? Now let's see the conjunction one example. Now upside some teddy bears are there. On that you will get the examples of some conjunctions, because, and, so, or, but. There are many conjunctions are there. We will see it slowly. Conjunctions are words that join two sentences together. Okay, I like cats, dogs. Now for the cats and dogs we have used one word, that is and. That's why this and will go for the conjunction. Okay, now let's see the kinds, types of conjunction, kinds of conjunctions. Three kinds are there. Which are the three kinds? Coordinating conjunction, in that fanboys are coming. What is the fanboys? Upside of your head fan is there? No, this fanboys is not this fanboys, because you will see there is all upside fan, on that fan one boy is sitting, that's it is called fanboys. It's not like that. It is the short form. What is the law? It is called acronym also, ACRONYM. Okay, short form it is. What is the full form of that? F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. Then in the coordinating conjunction, we use only these 7 conjunctions only. For the coordinating sentences, we use only these 7 conjunctions. Second kind is subordinating conjunction. Okay, subordinating means what? When one sentence is depend on the other sentence, and that two sentences have joined with the downsides conjunction, that time these conjunctions are called subordinating conjunction. And last kind is what? Correlative. Correlative means it always comes in the pair. Okay, when we take the tea for the drinking, that time cup is also there, saucer is also there. This always comes in the together in the same form. Is it? Like your school uniform and the school bag, you are coming togetherly with that. School uniform is also there, school bag is also there. Which things we take in the pair compulsory, those pair words are called as the correlative conjunctions. Means either or, we are taking compulsory both the words in the sentence, not only but also, neither nor, both and, whether or, just as so. In between some additional word we are joining, but these two compulsory are coming in the sentence. In the coordinating sentence, only one conjunction is coming, like and, but, because, like if, so that, unless, one only. But in the correlative conjunction, two conjunction words are coming in the pair. Okay, like rhyming pairs, how are there? Like there, here also pair is there, and they always come in the form of two. That's why these are called the correlative conjunctions, and they are depend on the each other also. Now let's see the first conjunction, kinds of conjunction. How yesterday you write the definition of preposition, today you are going to write down the definition of conjunction and its kinds from your chapter number 8 first page, coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction and the correlative conjunction. These all definitions, students, you are going to write down in the notebook. Now let's see the coordinating conjunction means what? Coordinating conjunctions, there are 7 coordinating conjunctions. They give equal importance to the word or sentence they connect. Okay, two different sentences are there. Suppose I like to play cricket, I like to play chess. What I said that I like to play cricket, I like to play chess. These both sentences are important. Then these both sentences, when I am joining by taking any one word from this 7, like rainbow, okay, then from that 7, one word I will take. Suppose which now? I like to play cricket and I like to play chess. Then I have used the and to join the two different sentences, and both the sentences are having the equal importance. I like to play cricket is also important. I like to play chess, it is also important. Both sentences are important and they are the dependent, not dependent. They are independent. They are not depend on anyone. Separately, if I will write, you will get the meaning of that. If first sentence I will write separately, you will get the meaning of that. If second sentence I will write separately, then also you will get the meaning of second sentence. Means whenever two independent sentences we are joining with one conjunction, that conjunction is called as the coordinating conjunction. And how many coordinating conjunctions are there, students? 7. How to remember these conjunctions? By the fanboys. Okay, F says for, A says and, N says nor, B says but, O says or, Y says yet, S says so. Is it? Now see the definition now. When a coordinating conjunction connect two independent clause, it is often accompanied by a comma. Whenever we are using this and, but, this from the 7, any one conjunction we are using, that time comma is compulsory. Reigns wants to play for Yukon, comma, but he has had trouble meeting the academic requirements. Okay. Now Reigns wants to play for Yukon. This sentence, full sentence meaning we are getting, he has had trouble meeting the academic requirements. This is also separate sentence and we are getting the full meaning of that. And when these both sentences we are joined with the but, this but go for the coordinating conjunction. Okay, two different sentences we are joining with the coordinating sentences, and each sentence is the independent, it is not depend on the second. Okay, now see coordinating conjunctions, few examples. Coordinating conjunctions join words, phrases or independent clauses. For which example is there? John bought a bottle of water for he was thirsty. If I will separate this both the sentences, will you get the meanings? John bought a bottle of water. Will you get the meaning of both whole sentence? John bought a bottle of water. Yes, I got it. Second sentence is separately. He was thirsty. Are you getting the meaning of this sentence? He was thirsty. Both sentences are separate and both sentences separately they are giving their own meaning. There is no need of any support to them. But we are joining this sentence by using the coordinating conjunction, that is for. Okay. Now Kylie loves cupcakes and donuts. Okay, and they couldn't go to the mall, nor could we. They also don't go, we also don't go. That's why nor could we. Then Sandra likes oranges but not apples. Do you like coffee or tea? Then the weather was very cold, yet we played in the yard. Luke was studying, so he stayed up late. Now you understood? Before for comma is there. Okay, before nor also comma is there, before but also comma is there, before yet also comma is there, before so also comma is there. Then in coordinating conjunction, before using that we have to take the comma, then we have to make the separate that second sentence with the conjunction. I hope that you understand the coordinating conjunction. Two separate sentences which are the independent, those sentences when we are joining, when we are taking together, that time from fanboys any one conjunction we are taking, that time that conjunction is called as the coordinating conjunction. Now subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction is also joining two sentences, but their one sentence always depend on the second sentence. Okay, what I am saying? One sentence always depend on second sentence. Without that we are not getting the meaning of sentences. Okay. Now subordinating conjunction, these join main clause and subordinating clause. They can be divided into categories of use. Now time is there. For that, after, before, since, until, when, while. For cause and effect, for reason, as, because, in order that, now that, since, so. Opposition, in the opposite, although, even though, whereas. Condition is there. Then if, even if, in case that, provided that, unless, whether. For the manner, okay, as if, as tough, how, once. See the examples. She said goodbye before she left, okay. She said goodbye before she left. Suppose now she said goodbye and she left. We are not getting why she left. She left's answer when we will get? When we will get the answer of remaining sentence. She said goodbye. Firstly she said the goodbye, and before that only she left. He called her because he wanted a favor, okay. Why he called her? Where we are getting the answer? In remaining sentence. Means one sentence is depend on the second sentence. He called her. Why he called her? Because he wanted a favor. Although she is tall, she is also slight. She is tall as well as she is thin. Okay, both answer we are getting. Means one sentence is depend on the second sentence. You won't pass your exam unless you work hard. Now this how sentences depend on each other. Now if you will study hard, then only you'll get the nice mark. Is it? If you will not study hard, will you get the nice marks? No. Then one sentence is what? You won't pass your exam. But why you won't pass the exam? Because you don't work hard. That's why it's mentioned you won't pass your exam unless you work hard. Once you arrive, you will enjoy yourself. Okay. Then if you will come, then automatically you will start to enjoy. Means one sentence is depend on the other. How it's depend on the other? If you will not come only, will you enjoy? No. Means how it's depend? If you will arrive, if you will come, then only you are going to enjoy it. Means one sentence answer we are getting in the second sentence. That time this is called the subordinating. And that subordinating we are joining with using the subordinating conjunction. Then it is depend on the timing, place, reason, many things are there, manners are there, okay. If the subordinate clause comes first, there is a comma after it, but if the main clause comes first, there is no need for a comma. Means subordinating clause is always coming with the conjunction, okay. Then she said goodbye before she left. Then before she left is the subordinating clause. She said goodbye, which come without the conjunction, it is the main clause, okay. Here we don't use the comma. Why? Because conjunction has come after. But when conjunction is coming at the starting, before she left, then we have to take the comma, okay. She said goodbye. Now last conjunction is correlative conjunction. I hope now till now you understand the coordinating. Coordination means different two sentences, okay, they have their own meanings. We are joining it by using the fanboys. Subordinating means one main sentence answer we are getting in the remaining sentence. One main sentence is depend on the second sentence, and that we are joining with the subordinating conjunctions as per manner, as per reason, because, as. Those conjunctions are called as the subordinating. Third conjunction is correlative. Correlative means those always comes in the pair, like not only but also, yeah, those always comes in the pair. Correlative conjunction, these conjunctions comes in pairs and both parts must be used to make sense, and both are very useful, okay. Both and how to use? Connect two terms. She is both beautiful and smart. How we say? She is both means two, means both the things she has. That's why both beautiful and smart. Not only but also. For emphasize on second of two things. He is not only going to France but also to Bolivia. Either or means this will do or that will do. That's why either or. You can either send a letter or email the school. Neither nor. No changes, negative, okay. Neither Susan nor Annie went to the party. Whether or, conditional choice. It's dependable whether tennis or golf is more popular. As the water in the swimming pool was as cold as ice. No sooner had he left work than he got a call to return. Such that shows an extent or consequences. It was such a hot day that the tarmac melted. As many as, okay, there were as many people as we had expected. Now here we are going to join the conjunctions, okay. She is not as intelligent as you are. Then although he is poor, yet he is honest. Although he is poor, yet he is honest. Means poor people are not honest. No, he is poor, he is not having the money, then also he is honest. For that what we are using? Although he is poor, yet he is honest. Ruchi is not only intelligent but also diligent. Okay. Do what you like but do not disturb me. As soon as it started raining, the peacock began to dance. Now, second question, we are going to take the help box help, and by that we are going to use it, okay, in the sentences. Asha is beautiful, her mother is beautiful. The weather is fine, the sea is calm. This now answers will what will come? Both Asha and her mother are beautiful. This question now student you are going to write down in the notebook. Second question, how we will write? Firstly write the question, then answer. What is question? Asha is beautiful, her mother is beautiful. What is answer? Both Asha and her mother are beautiful. Then second, the weather is fine, the sea is calm. The weather is fine and the sea is calm. You should improve your grammar, you should improve your spelling. You should not only improve your grammar but also spelling. Fourth, the postman found it difficult to deliver the letter. The sender's handwriting was not readable. The postman found it difficult to deliver the letter as the sender's handwriting was not readable. Last one, we had to stay at Haridwar. The road to Mussoorie was blocked. We had to stay at Haridwar because the road to Mussoorie was blocked. Okay. Now next third question you can fill in the textbook only, but fourth question you are going to write down in the notebook. Okay. Third question you can also try what answer will be there. Now we will see the fourth question, questions and answers. She wasn't very rich, she gave money to the beggar. Then what will be the answer? Although she wasn't very rich, she gave money to the beggar. Okay. Although when we use, when means opposite conditions are coming. When any rich person is there and then also he is unable to buy his chappal, then it is the opposite condition because he is having the money, then also he is not purchasing the slippers. That's why when your opposite conditions are coming, we use although. Although she wasn't very rich, she gave money to the beggar. Okay. He left early so that he would arrive on time. You can go out tonight provided you tell us where you are going. Even if you earn a big salary, you wouldn't buy a car. Take a sandwich in case there is no restaurant. Name in the bracket which conjunction we have to take, it's given already. But on which place we have to fit it, we have to write it, we should understand. Okay. Sixth one. Despite the noise on the railway platform, he managed to sleep. Suman likes theatre, whereas Jatin prefers pop music. Even though the weather was bad, they enjoy the trip. In spite of having the flu, my father went to work. Unless you put the alarm on it won't work. Okay. That is the examples. By meaning you will understand that what is the first condition is important, that you have to take firstly, and which sentences depend on that we have to take secondly, and accordingly that we are going to join the conjunction with that. Okay. Now this brain ticklers puzzle is there. 34 words denoting different time of a day and night. We have to find out it vertically, horizontally and diagonally in the 8 directions. Now these all examples answers I have given. Like you can find out this diagonally, vertically, horizontally, like night is there, evening is there, midnight is there, like daytime. Okay. Moon, bedtime, like that many are there, moonbeam and all, morning, that you have to find out and you are going to fill in the textbook. Then second question, third question you are going to try by your own in the textbook. Second and fourth question you are going to write down in the form of question and answer. Understand what to write in the notebook? Second and fourth question in the form of question answer, and first and third question you are going to complete in the textbook only, and brain tickler also complete in the textbook. Get it student? I hope that you understood this all lessons, and don't worry, when our school will reopen I am going to take it everything again. That's why don't worry and see the video again and again. You will understand what are the answers. Complete the work in time. Thank you so much and take care.